Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Now our topic is heights and distances. The question is, from three collinear points A, B and C on a level ground which are on the same side of a tower, the angles of elevation of the tower are 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. If BC equal to 60 meter, then find AB in meters. So from the question we can understand that one vertical tower is given and at some distance of vertical tower, bottom of the tower, three collinear points are there on the horizontal line A, B and C. From A, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. From B, angle of elevation is 45 degrees. From C, angle of elevation equal to 60 degrees. And at the same time, the distance between 2 points B and C equal to 60 meter is given. Now we have to find the distance AB in meters. First we have to draw the diagram related to this. Vertical tower of height h meters. Let us take a vertical tower. This is a vertical tower of height h meters. Now from the point A, angle of elevation is 30 degrees given. So here this is a point A, angle of elevation is equal to 30 degrees. And from A to B, the observer is moving from point A to point B and angle of elevation here at B is equal to 45 degrees. When a person is moving near to the object, then angle of elevation will be increased so that B is nearer to this bottom of a tower, and again he moves from point B to point C with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Let us assume this is a point C. So in this A, B and C are collinear points. The distance between B and C, BC is equal to 60 meter is given. The distance between B and C, BC is equal to 60 meter here. We have to find what is the distance between A and B. Nothing but AB we are finding, and take it as a D here. This is a E. First consider the triangle DCE and assume this is X, and let us take this value is Y. Then in the triangle DCE, in triangle DCE, we have to apply tan C, nothing but tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to, so we know that tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So for 60 degrees, opposite side is a DE by adjacent side is a CD. But we know that tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 is equal to DE measure is H by CD measure is X. So from this we can understand after cross multiplication, assume this is a by 1. 1 into H is H equal to root 3x. It is equation number 1. Now coming to next one is a DBE triangle. In triangle DBE, I will write first equation here. H is equal to root 3x. Assume it as equation 1. Now in triangle DBE, apply tan B. Nothing but tan 45 degrees is equal to, for 45 degrees opposite side is a DE by adjacent side is a BD. We know that tan 45 value is 1. So 1 is equal to DE measure. DE measure is H by BD. BD measure is 60 plus X. Then after cross multiplication, it becomes H is equal to 60 plus X. Now we can write H value is H is equal to root 3x. So let us write that equation 1 value H is equal to root 3x in second equation. So we are going to do that. From equations 1 and 2, let us write equation 2 here. H is equal to 60 plus X. This is second equation. From equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, h equal to root 3x and h equal to 60 plus x. So equate both values, we get root 3x is equal to 60 plus x. Then bring x this side, root 3x minus x equal to 60. We can take out x common from LHS. It becomes x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 by root 3 minus 1. The value of x equal to 60 by root 3 minus 1. But we can multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1. It is called as rationalization of the denominator. So x is equal to, x value is 60 into root 3 plus 1 by, denominator is like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Then x is equal to 60 into root 3 plus 1 by, root 3 whole square is a 3 minus 1 whole square, it is a 1, which is equal to 60 into root 3 plus 1 by, denominator is a 2. We can cancel 2 in 60 30 times, then it is 30 into root 3 plus 1. So the value of x is equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1, and by using this x value we can find the value of h. Now put this x equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1 in equation 1. Put x equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes h equal to root 3 into x is 30 into root 3 plus 1. Nothing but this becomes 30 root 3 into root 3 plus 1, which is equal to 30 root 3 into root 3. 30 into 3 plus 30 root 3 into 1, it is 30 root 3 is equal to 90 plus 30 root 3. This is the value of h. And next, consider the triangle DAE. In triangle DAE, tan 30 degrees equal to tan A, nothing but tan 30 degrees equal to 30 degrees opposite side is a DE by adjacent side is AD. So that h value is equal to h we found, it is 90 plus 30 root 3. Then tan 30 is equal to DE by AD. But we know that tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So LHS is 1 by root 3 is equal to DE. DE is nothing but h. H we calculated, it is 90 plus 30 root 3 by, denominator is AD. AD is AB plus BC plus CD. So AB plus BC plus CD. Then 1 by root 3 equal to 90 plus 30 root 3 by AB measure we have taken y plus BC is 60 plus CD measure is x. Of course we calculated this value. In the next step let us substitute the value of x and then do the cross multiplication. 1 into this denominator we get x plus y plus 60 is equal to root 3 into 90 plus 30 root 3. So that y value we are going to find, and here it is 60 we have taken, x value is 30 into root 3 plus 1. Then in place of x we are writing 30 into root 3 plus 1 plus 60, and plus y value we are finding, it is 90 root 3 plus root 3 into 30 root 3, it becomes 90. 30 into root 3, it is 3. 30 into 3 is equal to 90. So let us send all these terms except y. Leave y in LHS and send the rest of the terms from LHS to RHS. Y is equal to 90 root 3 plus 90. These are there in RHS. And this 30 root 3, positive 30 root 3, we are sending that side, it becomes minus 30 root 3. And 30 into 1, it is a plus 30, we are sending there. it becomes minus 30, and plus 60 also we are sending there, it becomes minus 60. Then simplify this value. Y equal to, first let us simplify root 3 terms. 90 root 3 minus 30 root 3. We have two terms which are containing root 3. Then 90 root 3 minus 30 root 3 is 60 root 3. Or else we can take root 3 common. Then it is 90 minus 30, 60 root 3. And plus 90 minus 30 minus 60. Minus 30 minus 60 is minus 90. Plus 90 both will be cancelled. So y is equal to 60 root 3. But y is nothing but AB. The value of AB is equal to 60 root 3 meters. Thank you very much.